Alright, so we're gonna do an Ipsy glam bag. So I used to do this back in like 2013. Haven't done it in forever. And I just restarted my membership, so I got this big bag instead of the small bag. But this is, I'm just on like the smaller bag subscription because I haven't been here in a while. So we're gonna see what I get. Here is, we got this bag, and this is really pretty, by the way, Ipsy. Like, I like the butterflies. I'm in my transformation stage, so I'm with it. Anyway, they give you these little cards, skin, hair, and body care. It's like a shaving thing. I'm obsessed. Silky smooth shaving every time. No nicks, no cuts, just soft satin skin. The ultimate pampering experience. You may have to go get this razor. But anyway, yeah, they give you this pamphlet, some cute little stickers. How'd they know I needed them? But yeah, some cleansing wipes. Really hope these are good for my face because my face has had just little tiny breakouts. So hopefully these work. Then we got some hand cream. God knows I need this because your girl will look down sometimes and see the little crusties in there. So get some hand cream. It has the little thingy on it. Like, most hand creams don't have this thing. So, ooh, it's thick. I like me a thick hand cream. Usually lasts longer. It's floral, and I'm a floral girl, so I can get down with it. Gotta let it sit over. It has like a lemon finish, I feel like. Yeah. And then I got this beauty. I was like really excited about this one. Like, I haven't been able to afford Ofra in a while, and your girl has been using some drugstore highlights, which I love. But it's time for your girl to get a high-end highlight. And look at this bronzer highlight glow palette. I'm so excited to use it. I was gonna do my makeup before I opened this, and then, not to lie to y'all, I opened it before I came here. You guys want to see the little one, go to part 2.